star traveled billions of light years, caught up by another star, and now it's beginning to blend. And when you blend iron, copper, sulfur, carbon, oxygen, etc., hydrogen, helium, they start to create planets. Now we're going to focus on our specific planet. A planet is created in a swirl.
Hey yo, a swirl in the matter, God body, I'm the greatest. I can break it down, the soul oscillate through changes. Grim metaphysics, kill sheeple with the basics. Iron carbon, quantum light, hopping through the matrix. Viral spectral human, my doctrine is my codex. Molecularly born prototypes entering my vortex. Put this all together and control it with my cortex. Visually I scan the geometric with my iris. Atom in the garden, wild Lilith always wildin'. I seem to be in a natural state with my alignment. The solar caught my monad, structurally I'm violent. On the path with the enemy, I stalk him like a lion. Your poorly written raps can't stall with my Orion. Galilee or sword play, clashing with the tyrants. I'm the highest of my order, you a bitch like Pontius Pilate. Yeah, I spit a vivid blade, then I make it swirl. Blood hit the street, then I make it swirl. We throw bud in the Vega, then we make it swirl. Blow a smoke ring out, then I make it swirl. Spit a vivid blade, then I make it swirl. Blood hit the street, then I make it swirl. We throw bud in the Vega, then I make it swirl. Blowing smoke in the cypher, then I make it swirl. Hey yo, my 16s and 64 sides, then I spin an orb. El Destructo when I pin a form. You sound like the norm, I sound like cuneiform. And yo, Lord, Grim Low, getting crazy raw. I'm crazy horse, and you suck like a crazy straw. Extendo script, bullet swirl, buck an 80 off. You're not ill, I'm the isotropic vector metrics. Infrared being behind the limits of your spectrum. That means I can't see me, dog. I spin light speed, time schemes, fuck a revolution, CDR. Your brain's flat, the earth's round like a basketball. I astrally project, then I seen it all. Esoteric in my covenant, your whole style soft like an oven man. I offer nothing but a passage to the mothership. I'm on that other shit, parallel creator swirling blood in my sediment. I spit a vivid blade, then I make it swirl. Blood hit the street, then I make it swirl. We throw bud in the Vega, then we make it swirl. Blow a smoke ring out, then I make it swirl. Spit a vivid blade, then I make it swirl. Blood hit the street, then I make it swirl. We throw bud in the Vega, then I make it swirl. Blowing smoke in the cypher, then I make it swirl.